front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Select Loyalty, Gift Card or Public Transport. Let's enter Loyalty firstly and select loyalty card you want to add, for example IKEA. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Then let's go to the gift card and similarly to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. Last card you can add is for public transport, and if you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.